You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
One of the fastest ways to reduce moving stress is to get clear answers before packing day. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're doing a Q&A episode focused entirely on international packing services. Question 1. Why is professional packing so important for international moves? Because international shipments go through more handling stages and more variables than most domestic moves. Professional packing helps protect items during transit and supports smoother customs documentation. Question 2. What kinds of items should be professionally packed? Usually anything valuable, fragile, overseas, or difficult to replace. That can include furniture, electronics, artwork, musical instruments, antiques, and selected personal items. Question 3. How are pianos packed for overseas shipping? Pianos typically require specialized handling, custom wooden crating, padding, and secure loading methods designed for international transit. They should never be packed like ordinary household goods. Question 4. How does packing affect customs? Packing and documentation work together. A detailed inventory, accurate descriptions, and clear labeling can help avoid custom questions and reduce delays at destination. Question 5. Can vehicles be packed with household goods? Yes, vehicles can be packed in a container with household goods when the shipment is planned the right way. The move has to be designed correctly around the destination rules and loading requirements. Question 6. What is one thing people get wrong about packing costs? They assume saving money means doing more themselves. In many international moves, poor packing creates more risk, more stress, and sometimes higher costs later. Question 7. What if the destination has strict import rules? That is exactly why destination-aware packing matters. The plan should reflect the customs and import conditions of the country before the shipment is loaded. Packing may seem like one step in the move, but in reality, it affects protection, timing, customs, and the overall experience from start to finish. Better answers before packing day usually lead to a better move overall. If you have questions about packing for an international move, call 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.